Hello everybody, Richard STRANG from the UK. Just going to give you a quick overview of my favourite exchange, Bitpanda. When I first got involved with cryptos, like many other people, I used Coinbase, which is still very good, but I actually prefer Bitpanda. It was basically used to be called Coinimal, but then 2016 they renamed themselves Bitpanda. I've been using them now for at least 18 months. Never had any issues. They're registered in Austria, so basically they accept all transactions from all over Europe. And what I like about it is that basically, obviously, you can buy with cards, credit cards, debit cards. But also, when your cryptos go up and you want some fiat, you can transfer back into your, for instance, me, GBP wallet, transfer to the bank account by SEPA transfer, and it's there within 2 days. I've never had any issues with Bitpanda whatsoever. They've got all the security. Basically, you've got all the 2FA, which obviously I've got and everyone else would have. Gives you all the activity, so you know, make sure no one's logged in. But if someone tries to log in, so your details, somehow they got hold of your login for whatever reason, hopefully never would happen, but they then notice it's from a different login. You have to verify by your email that you are authorizing this login. Very, very security conscious. The verification stage is quite advanced to make sure it's you. Even when I used the new credit card on here, it wouldn't allow me on it until I'd taken a picture of myself with the credit card. They're very hot on security, which is what I like. I say if you hit deposit, there you've got your 4 wallets, US dollar, British, Swiss francs and euro. Then you basically go on the trade and you exchange for the coins you've got. You know, you want to get more of the same, or you want to get some new ones. If you have a quick look at the wallets, they've got most of the big ones, obviously Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Lisk, which is another favourite of mine, Dash. So what I tend to do on here, as you can see, I've got some bit of EOS, you know, I used to have a lot of Komodo on here a means ago. Right now I've bought them on here, I may keep some and sell for profit. Sometimes I do a bit of trading on here for coins which I know are going to pump soon due to news coming out, for example, or they're doing an upgrade or mainnet or something like that. So I tend to keep a bit of money on here, normally about 1,000, 1,500 on here to trade, get other coins. For instance, like Cardano, you can see I've got 2,953. I'll be withdrawing that today to my Dollars wallet, which is my private Cardano wallet. And I'm always buying on it. Anytime I want to buy into cryptos, use fiat, I use Bitpanda. But it comes at times when, for instance, Chainlink. I bought Chainlink when it was about 20 cents. And literally in the last few months it's rocketed. I think today it's about $1.70, maybe $1.80. So I sold the 500 I had, obviously made a nice profit. So, you know, Chainlink's always got more news coming out, so perhaps I've made a mistake, who knows. But anyway, it's a great site for depositing fiat, getting the coins. I say there's a lot of favourites on it, and other favourite ones, Ethereum Classic. You've got gold wallet if you want to get into metals, that's a whole other subject. Basic attention token, Tron, Waves, Neo, Stellar, NEM, Zcash. Anyway, this goes on. So it's a really good site. To me, it's better than Bitstamp. It's not an advanced trading site. It's purely for me. I do a bit of trading to transfer into other coins, but I would definitely not say it's an advanced trading. If the advanced traders out there, you know, you're probably better off using something like Binance, where you've got a lot more coins. But to me, this is my personal opinion. This is not financial advice. I must say that. I should have said that earlier. It's not financial advice. In my opinion, Bitpanda is better than Bitstamp and Coinbase. The fees, they obviously use fees. As you see here, the real-time prices, all fees for purchase and sales of cryptocurrencies are already included in the offered prices. The prices are constantly updated in real time. Basically, as they said there, avoids confusion. This means you will always receive the exact amount of coins or fiat that is shown on the order confirmation page. The fees for the purchase of Bitcoin are currently 1.49. If you sell, it's 1.29. So the fees are pretty low, to be honest, and I don't mind. That's fine. And I say I've had many times when I've withdrawn to my bank, I've done some trading, and it's fine. The customer support, I must add, is brilliant. There are various ways. You go basically on here and you help, takes you to the page, and obviously they've got the frequently asked questions where a lot of people, you know, ask the same old question. Otherwise, submit a request, and I must admit I've always had an answer within an hour, which is fantastic. With a few issues, etc., is fine, and they're always resolved. Never had any issues with them. They've also got a good mobile app. I just prefer to use this page, but as I say, I don't. A lot of the time, I buy coins on here, then transfer them to my Ledger Nano, Tracer wallet, or private wallet through site like, as I say, Dad Dollars Wallet Trader. So it really is a great site for me. They've got big plans. They've got into metals lately. They're bringing out their own token. So I like this overview of your portfolio, and it really is. You can see it's a fantastic site. So if anyone's got any questions on joining Bitpanda, hit me below. I'll answer any questions you've got, and I'll see you soon, everybody. Bye.